Coorg, also known as the Scotland of India, is the ultimate holiday destination. One of the most prominent hill stations of southern India, Coorg is an accessible hill station which is breathtakingly beautiful. Tourists won't be disappointed here as Coorg offers breathtaking scenery, adventures, pleasant weather and sights to remember for a lifetime. Lying serenely amidst high mountains, Coorg's landscape stays misty throughout the year. Officially called Kodagu, Coorg is the largest producer of coffee in India. Mandikeri or Merkara, the capital of Coorg, is a beautiful hill town situated in the Western Ghats. This hill station stands 1452 meters above sea level. The green woody slopes, colorful scenery, misty mountains, cascading falls, dense tropical forests, tea and coffee and spice plantations make this place a paradise for nature lovers. Here are the places you can visit in Coorg. Abbey Falls. Abbey Falls, located amidst coffee plantations and spice estates, are blessed with stunning beauty and serene calm. A hanging bridge here provides an amazing sight of these waterfalls. The best time to visit Abbey Falls is early winter. Honama Kere Lake. This is the largest lake in the region and attracts numerous tourists every year. The lake has religious importance and is named after the goddess Honama. One can also see a temple dedicated to goddess Honama located right by the lake. Mandalpatti Trek. Located 4 km above Abbey Falls, Mandalpatti is at a distance of 25 to 30 km from Mandikeri town. Offering amazing scenic beauty and perfect opportunities to be amidst the beauty of natural settings, Mandalpatti is immensely popular among tourists. The place is perfect for trekking lovers who like some adventure and seek the best of natural settings. To go trekking, trekkers are supposed to take entrance tickets from the authorities at the base of Mandalpatti. Chikli Hole Reservoir. Situated on one of the tributaries of the river Kaveri, the reservoir offers tourists seclusion and privacy unlike any other tourist spot. The dense forest along with the rich flora and fauna add to the charm of the place. It is a great picnic spot and thus perfect for a family outing. The place with amazing scenic beauty is nothing less than a paradise for photographers. The sunset view is mesmerizing from here and an experience in itself. Dubare Elephant Camp. Dubare Elephant Camp is situated on the banks of river Kaveri in Coorg district of Karnataka. Elephant Camp at Dubare is a project undertaken by the Forest Department and Jungle Lodge and Resorts. It presents tourists with an opportunity to be close to elephants and engage in various activities related to them. Harangi Dam. An interesting tourist spot, Harangi Dam is situated in the Hudkur village near Kushalnagar of Coorg. A popular picnic spot, it is good even for family outings where one can relax and spend some calm moments with his or her loved ones. A calm setting and cool gentle breeze makes your time even more enjoyable. It is best to visit the dam during August to September as the water is more in the reservoir at this time of the year. Omkareshwar Temple. Omkareshwar Temple, the famous Shiv temple in Mandikeri, was built by Linga Rajendra in 1820. The temple, located at a distance of 1 km from Mandikeri, is an architectural beauty. The temple has both Islamic and Gothic styles of architecture. Mandikeri Fort. First built in the last quarter of the 17th century by Muddu Raja, Mandikeri Fort was later renovated with stones and bricks by Tipu Sultan, who named the fort as Jafrabad. The fort has a rich history and has seen many battles and successions. The fort has many other buildings as well as a church, Mahatma Gandhi Public Library, the Kote Mahaganpati Temple and the district prison. The temple Kote Mahaganpati is one of the temples that participates in the Mandikeri Dasara festival. Malali Falls. Located at the foot of Pushpagari hill ranges, Malali Falls is one of the best places in Coorg to spend some time. The falls at the foot of Pushpagari peak and trekking till the peak enhance your overall Coorg experience. The best time to visit the falls is during the monsoon season and between July to December. During monsoon season, there is more water in the falls, making it look more beautiful and refreshing. Even the greenery around is at its best during this time. There are a number of activities that you can enjoy in Coorg. Go river rafting in Barapol River, take a stroll around beautiful coffee plantations, bathe elephants at Dubare Elephant Camp, go sunset jeep safari at Madalpatti, visit the Golden Temple Monastery and go quad biking. There's so much that you can do in Coorg. Coorg is a year-round destination with the temperatures ranging between 15 degrees Celsius and 20 degrees Celsius throughout the year. However, October and March are the best times for adventure activities, especially trekking. Coorg is at its liveliest during the summer and winter months. Monsoons are off-season for Coorg owing to the incessant rains. However, for some travelers, exploring Coorg during the monsoon months is an experience like no other. The waterfalls gush with fresh water and the plantations are at their greenest. Coorg is well connected with air, road and railways. Mangalore Airport is the nearest airhead to Coorg. It is situated 160 kilometers away from the hill station. All the major cities of India such as New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Hyderabad and Bangalore are connected with regular flights to and from Mysore. Coorg welcomes all kinds of travelers, and if you know the tricks of budget traveling, you will find it easy to plan a fun and memorable trip here. Luxury travelers have the choice to opt for the most gorgeous accommodations where their food, activities and tours are taken care of. While this is quite heavy on the pocket, it ensures that you have a hassle-free experience while exploring Coorg. Luxury travelers can expect to spend between Rs 15,000 and Rs 25,000 per day. This cost includes travel, food and other activities. Mid-budget travelers have to be more mindful of where they spend their money. If you have opted for a reasonably priced homestay accommodation, you can choose more activities that fit your budget and have a more fulfilling experience while exploring Coorg. Mid-budget travelers can expect to spend anywhere between Rs 5,000 and Rs 10,000 per day. The burden of planning and pre-booking accommodation typically falls on budget travelers. Since they are trying to explore Coorg on a predefined budget, travelers have to research extensively and find hotel discounts, reasonable transport options, and plan activities with other budget travelers. For budget travelers, typical per-day costs are between Rs 1,000 to Rs 5,000. Since the hill station is home to numerous spice plantations, all dishes have a hearty dose of spices and locally available vegetables. You will find that most dishes comprise bamboo shoot, pork, coconut, kodampuli, jackfruit, plantain and different kinds of puttus. The food is light and refreshing since it's prepared using local vegetables and fruits. Some of the dishes that you must try while exploring Coorg are koli curry, bamboo shoot curry, pandi curry and thalia puttu. Few restaurants that you must try when exploring Coorg are Beans and Brew Cafe, Rain Tree, Coorg Cuisine, Saffron by La Coorg and Taste of Coorg. Luxury hotels in Coorg where you can stay are Coorg Wilderness Resort, Evolve Back, the Tamara, the Sarai Kabini, the Ibni and the Old Kent Estates. Mid-budget hotels in Coorg that you can visit are Heritage Resort, Coorg International, the Casita, Serene Woods, Brookstone Villas. Budget hotels in Coorg that you can check out are La Coorg, Madikeri Heritage, Coorg Cliff Resorts, Porcupine Castle Resort and the Cocoon. Some homestays in Coorg that are must experience are Anirva, Srinidhi Estate Stay, Tanglewoods, Vaishnavi Estate, Honeypot Homes and Gaur Nivas. You can spend anywhere between 3 to 7 days in Coorg, depending on your interests. If you want to include trekking, rafting and other outdoorsy activities, you will need a couple of days extra. If, on the other hand, you simply want to explore the city, the cafes and the local attractions, you can plan a trip for 7 to 5 days. Now that you have everything you need to know about planning a trip to Coorg, When are you booking your tickets? For more such inspirational and informative videos, subscribe to Triporo's YouTube channel and never miss an update by us.